Hey guys, today let's learn how to turn off end-to-end encryption on your Messenger device on your iPhone. All we need to do first is to launch the Messenger application, and I want you to go on over this 3 lines option, tapping next onto your gear icon on your settings. I want you to go to these privacy and safety settings over here, and I want you to also access this setting under security, which is the end-to-end encrypted chats. Now, in order for us to basically turn off end-to-end encrypted chats altogether, just go on over on message storage and then make sure that you turn off secure storage. Now this will basically, of course, disable you from backing up your chat history, and it will also basically disable the end-to-end encryption on your chats. Now when you go on over on a specific chat, what you guys could also do on that chat is, I'm going to go on over on this specific chat for this example, is to go on over on their names, and I want you to see if you have this symbol over here, which is the end-to-end encrypted. Now, if in the case that you still see this, just go ahead and double check with the chat. You could also try to view the verify end-to-end encryption settings over here, but essentially you just need to go ahead under your privacy and safety settings and also turn the message storage off. And that is all for this video, guys. Thank you guys for watching. Please like and subscribe, and take care.